Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the top to open the Apple ID settings. So after you tap on it, simply scroll down and select Payment and Shipping. Now, inside the Payment and Shipping, enter your Apple ID password. Then simply verify the payment method details such as the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address, or simply reset your card numbers, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. So after that, simply go back to the settings again. Then tap on the sign in and security option available there. So it might take some time, but tap on the change passcode inside the sign in and security. After you tap on the change passcode, simply change your Apple ID passcode. In order to do that, you'll have to enter your iPhone passcode first. Enter it. After you enter it, you'll be navigated to enter the new password for your Apple ID and verify it. After you complete this process, simply go back to the App Store and try your payment method again and it will be done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.